I'm actually in a period of my life where I'm a bit lost. In fact, I'm not even sure I'm sad, because in the presence of others, I laugh and talk. But as soon as I'm alone in my own home, I feel no emotion, nothing. I simply find myself face to face with myself. I dive into my thoughts, searching for a spark of clarity. I try to understand this inner emptiness, this absence of emotion that sets in when distractions fade. I realize that sometimes silence and solitude are necessary. They force introspection. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, it's confusing. But maybe it's my mind's way of telling me it's time to take a moment for myself. Maybe this apparent calm is an opportunity to ask some fundamental questions, to reconsider what I really want, to redefine my priorities, follow and share